In our lives, there is a new type of material that may offer a special coating. On the surface of almost any object, paper, plastic, glass, and wood, and the silvery coating appears in a metallic way. It is aluminum pigment. Aluminum pigments are widely used in industries such as coatings, printing, decoration, automotive, 3C, and spray-free due to their excellent light reflection ability and metallic luster. How is aluminum pigment produced? Firstly, we put the main raw materials, spherical aluminum powder, solvents, grinding aids, and additives into the ball mill, together with steel balls, and obtain aluminum flakes after ball milling. Secondly, we use the vibrating screen to sieve aluminum flakes into different particle size groups. Then, we compress the screen mixture and separate the solid from the liquid to obtain filtered aluminum cakes. Finally, we use the blender to mix, disperse, and polish to obtain aluminum pigment paste. If there are special requirements for aluminum pigments, they can be post-treated to obtain different categories of aluminum pigments through special processes. The produced aluminum pigments are processed through different processes to obtain for different states of aluminum pigments, namely paste, powder, granule, and concentrated paste. The first state is aluminum paste, which is obtained through wet ball milling as described above, containing 30 to 40% organic solvents, and offers excellent metallic effects. From this type of aluminum paste, different treatment can be performed to get aluminum pasted, with differences properties, such as water-based silica-coated aluminum paste, resin-coated aluminum paste, and double-layer coated aluminum paste. The second state is aluminum powder, also known as flake aluminum powder, which can be divided into two categories. One is leafing powder with electroplating effect obtained through dry ball milling. The other type is aluminum pigment powder, which undergoes different types of coating treatments to remove solvents and obtain aluminum powder with different properties. There are single-layer dense silica-coated aluminum pigment powder and double-layer coat aluminum pigment powder coated with both organics and inorganic compounds. The third state is aluminum pigment granule, which uses high solid content aluminum pigment paste, resin carriers, and additives as raw materials, and processed with twin screw extrusion to obtain granules. The aluminum content accounts for about 80%, and the remaining 20% are polymers and additives. The fourth type of aluminum pigment is concentrated paste obtained from high-purity aluminum after a unique vacuum metallization process (VMPS). Its flake thickness is in nanoscale, with great coverage and brightness. A small amount can achieve excellent chrome plating effect, mirror effect. In order to ensure the quality of aluminum pigments in all aspects, Sunrise Group carried out strict controls on the raw material, spherical aluminum powder. The company pioneered a new process that directly uses molten aluminum to produce aluminum powder, breaking the traditional process of using aluminum ingots, raw material, for aluminum powder. Production. During production process of aluminum pigments, Sunrise also has a comprehensive operation manual and well-trained staff ensuring that the qualified rate of semi-finished products can be over 98%. Finally, in terms of quality control, Sunrise uses a series of professional equipment such as electron microscope, 6 angles colorimeter, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, and QUV aging machine to conduct high-standard testing on the effectiveness and performance of the finished product in all aspects, devoted in the industry for more than 20 years. Sunrise Group has continuously developed new products and technologies to meet the diverse and comprehensive production needs of various products. Sunrise Group has established for major production bases in Tongling, Luen, Hefei, and Inner Mongolia, and has developed into the biggest company in China's aluminum powder and pigment industry at present. Sunrise Group has served customers in more than 50 countries and regions worldwide. With its stable quality, increasing capacity, and outstanding ability on efficient customized production, the company is winning the trust and cooperation of more and more customers around the world.